Right, this is me entering, aka my favourite machine, the brush wash. It's hard to dry with mobile phones. You might see the splash in the window now. Now, let the show begin. Second car in. Let's hope it doesn't break down. Well, obviously this is a Volvo. Water jet. Am I seeing the mirror now? Yeah. All of a sudden gone dark in the back. Now, as you can see, washing the back. Washing the rages, the side of the car. I'll show you now when this is finished. Look out this bloody yoke, this car wash. It takes ages to wash this car. As you can see, I just started washing and then all the cars were getting delayed coming in. So I said to myself, okay, I'll take it through the machine. Do it again, will we? No, I don't think so. Right. When this is finished, we'll get out of the car and show you the result of the car wash. Right, now let's see. Did they do a good job? Yeah, obviously it did. You can see. And there you go.